Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1.5 self-charging hybrid Jazz SE. Now of course, as you'll notice, you do get full LED headlights on this car. You do also get these 15-inch steel alloy wheels as well. They do of course have the silver wheel trim over the top, as you can see there. I will go into each and every alloy or wheel trim just so you can get an idea of what design pattern you do get on these wheels. But moving into the rear now, as you see, it is a 22-year model. You've got plenty of room in the tailgate area. You've also got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we do have the cloth grey with the black accenting on the outside. You've got full electric windows all round as well, and you do also have keyless start. You've then got your electric handbrake with brake hold. You've also got your economy mode just here, and then we do also have your eCVT gearbox. We've got your climate control in the middle, and then we do also have your stereo just here as well. This stereo does have your DAB, low wave, medium wave and FM. You also get USB, Bluetooth, hands-free and Bluetooth audio. As you can see, you do have your Bluetooth hands-free just here. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we do have a brilliant multifunction steering wheel. We've got your audio controls on the left with your onboard computer controls in the middle. We've then got your Bluetooth hands-free and just below. We've then got your cruise control, speed limiter and your lane keep assist and distance control on the right hand side. We've got your automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 10,532 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz hybrid, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.